Anybody can get it. Yeah. It's not something that you have to be special to get. It's just you sign up, govdeals, and you can buy shit all across the country that the government has.
Anyway, we're taking it back to my house now. The guy at the impound lot says he thinks the motor's locked up, but we'll see. There's no battery on it. It looks pretty rough inside, so if the motor is locked up, it's going to be awesome.
Pretty much a waste of money, unless we can sell it for parts. It's a Lexus,
Yeah,
as you'll see, but it's a terrible Lexus. It's a 95. You'll see all that. It looks black in the pictures. I thought it was black, but it's green.
Totally green. And it's got like 22-inch tires on it.
It looks like off-road tires. It looks like we're fixing to rally this thing.
If we get it running, we might rally it.
We might, regardless.
In the comment section, if you want us to rally this thing, let us know.
We'll definitely have to buy a drone.
Yeah.
That'll be cool. That'll actually give me a reason to buy a drone.
Or y'all to send us a drone. Anybody, who's in the drone business.
Yeah. Good luck with that. But we'll be more than happy to accept it.
Alright, we'll be at my house in a few minutes and we'll see what this baby's getting.
Awkward silence.
Awkward silence. Awkward silence while Joe figures out how to turn the camera off. Moment of truth.
Except I can't reach it. Put me in on the dolly.
Go in from the top.
Yeah, come on, that's some leverage too. We ain't got no big one.
No.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Popping the hood?
Sorry, Pop.
We'll lift the hood up and go from the top. You mean put the muscles on it?
That's assuming you can go from the top. I didn't even look. Let's see. Yeah, how about that?
You need me to turn it?
I don't want to get dirty. Not locked up.
No. Well.
Alright, let's take a battery out of a new car. That one. Hey. Hey.
There's my new girlfriend.
What are you doing?
Stop.
That's Candace. Alright.
See what this boring motherfucker is.
Rob one thing to save another.
Yeah. It's alright, they're gonna repo this soon anyway.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is an accident right now. It's totally not a 13. Hours later, no handles on the battery, of course.
Yeah, this is when you need those. That thing from SpongeBob, a few moments later.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. Come on, He-Man, you got it. What is that?
You don't need that.
Yeah, don't buy a Murano either.
Completely unnecessary piece of technology.
Engineers aren't that smart. They just leave you to believe that.
Unless you're a redneck engineer.
No, like certified engineers, like from
School and shit.
yeah, school. Fuck, no one needs that. Tools. Make sure that's actually the hot cable. Okay. You never know what these people have been doing to their cars. I'm gonna sit in the car and get ready. Only got a light on the dash. Tell me the truth.
Make sure it's in park.
It clicked.
Do it.
Nothing. It's loose.
Hold on. Hold on.
See how many miles this thing's got. Well, you can see that. That says 172,000 or 187,000. How the fuck did I get that? The interior on this thing is beat up. It's a 95 Lexus sc400. I don't really know much about this car, but whoever was been working on it obviously didn't know what they were doing, or just didn't care. Look at that. How do you do that? All right. Test number 2. And she runs. Doesn't want to stay running, but it runs. I'm so glad it starts. They told us the motor was bad, locked up. Apparently they don't know what they're talking about, but it still won't idle yet. Let's see. Nope, it died. The starter's making an awful racket, so that's probably has something to do with it. No, it still won't. Oh, it's idling. It's idling. It's running. I say we try to drive it.
Hey, I say we're a little bit more than redneck engineers.
We might have got lucky, but I think we should go drive it real quick.
Fuck yeah. Let's put up the GoPro and do a dash cam in there.
Cut.
You recording?
Alright. You're a little close to my face, but whatever. We're going to take this thing for its first test drive.
This some bitch got AC in it.
You got a pen?
No. I ain't got shit. Yeah, the shifter might be broke a little bit.
Well, find something to stab in it. Go get a screwdriver or something.
I'm not getting back. You know how hard it was for me to get in this car? How do you... I don't see anything.
Well, go get something.
I'm not getting out of
It's
the
in
car.
neutral. I got my foot on the brake. Go get something.
My head hits the steering wheel. Hey, look at the sunroof.
Yeah, do not open it.
Why?
If it falls off track, we're fucked. Just don't open it.
I want to open it.
You're not opening it.
The AC doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work. That's what I told you. They never work.
No, nothing.
We're gonna die in this fucking hot ass car. Hurry up! I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. That should work.
Hey. Which one? It's gonna be locked. Window. That's not it. It's this one.
Oh my god, that stinks.
This one's old.
Okay. Now, let's see how it drives.
Joe's mad. He ain't can't get. How does stinks, Joe? Joe's mad. He can't get his window down.
Oh my god.
This tire's rubbing.
Tires rub horribly. Oh man, check that out.
I mean, shouldn't we have like checked out something before we took off in it?
No.
Like could be oil or
No. Fuck.
make sure the lug nuts are tight.
Absolutely not.
This thing sounds horrible. I don't know if y'all can hear that on camera. Now, are we dragging something?
The brakes are completely rusted over. I think the first test should be, does it do it burnout?
No.
That's
don't do it in my neighborhood.
That's definitely a no.
oh my god.
These tires are way too big.
Stop turning.
Yeah. Okay. This steering wheel is like way up too. How do you change this?
What are all these sounds? I've never heard a car make so many sounds before.
Oh my god.
I hope y'all can hear that.
They've got to be able to hear it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So should we like keep going, or?
And I feel like we shouldn't push our luck.
I mean, it's going pretty good.
I don't want to go on the main road, no.
I want to try and go fast.
Oh, shit. This might be the recording of how we died.
Can we turn like left into the neighborhood again?
Yeah, kind of.
Alright, we're going. I'm gonna floor it.
Why don't you go over to the gravel and do a burnout and do a donut?
No, there's a car over there, and the last time I went over there, 8 police showed up.
That's a different story for a different video.
We'll just say we was looking for somebody because he got lost and
Got drunk, jumped off a church into a ditch.
no, I just said let's just say he got lost. None of that happened. That's just alleged. Allegedly.
I didn't say you did cocaine.
Allegedly jumped off a church.
Yeah, allegedly everything. Anyway, we found him laying on the road at 5 o'clock in the morning.
The blinker works.
Yeah.
Or at least
there's
it
a lot of
blinks in
stuff
here.
that works that I'm surprised. What is this?
I don't know, but that was for like a subwoofer.
It's really hot.
It is really hot. This road has never been this busy ever.
It's always this busy. My head hurts. I can't like. There we go. It shifts.
Yeah. Holy crap. It goes pretty good for being a piece of junk. I can't believe it.
What is that rattling around on the back?
The fuel tank or the suspension, or who knows? I've only looked under it for like a brief second. Do we turn here?
I don't know the way.
Yeah, this thing is raggedy. Let's just do a quick U-turn, get this thing back to the house before God, no power steering. Oh, it's dead. That's why.
Did it die?
Yeah, it died. It started back up, so that's a good sign.
Yeah. Well, drive this thing in the house.
We can.
Leave it in my house.
When they repo your car, you can drive this one.
There you go.
You're gonna have to split it with me though.
Buy a battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm getting divorced and repoed all my stuff, so y'all make some donations. Tyler needs some shit fund.
Wait, should we set up a GoFundMe?
Yeah, I need a GoFundMe.
Yeah, I don't know how any of that works.
I don't know.
Oh my God!
Somebody set me up a GoFundMe.
That's the most horrible sound I've ever heard in my life.
I don't need a lot. Just give me a couple grand, give me a new house, new car. Be good. I'll have a redneck engineer build me something to drive.
This thing's gonna be cool, I think.
I don't know about that. I wouldn't go that far. Maybe you get 1,000 for it, as is.
Yeah, it needs some smaller tires for sure. Alright, we'll see you later. I don't know what else we're gonna do, but we'll see you then. Alright, it's smoking. But we're not sure from what. It smells like oil and stuff. Probably just burning off old.
Wait. No, it's coming out here. Put the air filter out, by the way. No,
Yeah.
there it is back there.
Yeah, it's probably fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
If it burns down, it'll be alright.
Fuck it.
We'll just leave the hood up for now.
You got insurance on it?
Fuck no, I ain't got insurance on it.
I mean, that's the best option right now.
Yeah. Alright guys, with all the excitement that was going on with the new car, we forgot to shoot an outro. So, I'm here by myself at the house, just looking at stuff in the shop, trying to clean up, getting ready to move the car in. Gotta get this one out. Make sure you watch the video on that. That was last week's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe or comment. I like talking to people in the comment section. Make sure you watch our other videos also. We got the drift trike. We got the mini chopper, which sneak peek there. Drift trike. Trans Am. What do you want to see next? Stay tuned and maybe you'll see. Talk to you next time.